back to Emily, and today we will be using Bitimoji. Some of y'all might be familiar with that if you use Snapchat, but I'll be showing you some tips and tricks because there is a few twists to Google Slides, Prezi, and other presentation platforms that you may not know about. So today we will be showing you, students and teachers, how to make your assignments a little bit more fun and presentable if you're wanting it to look a little bit more professional or maybe more engaging for students. Not like engaging like making a button or making it accessible for students to touch or play with, or for students to complete not an assignment, but for your presentation platforms that you're presenting for your students to know how to do instructions on, or to give your students clarity on what you're doing that week. You can use little gadgets and tips and tricks that I showed to you today, which one of them will be Bitimoji. This is the only one I'm doing today. So Bitimoji basically is a little emoji that is like a little character, this right here, that you see on Snapchat, but it does all kinds of animations for you. As you can see, I've already decorated this template on the beginning slide. All I really did is included this. You can move it around. You can insert little balloons from the insert thing, as I said in my Google Slides tutorial that I have already posted a little while ago. You can also insert more balloons or whatever else you feel that would describe you, that suits you whenever you're presenting what you're presenting to your students or your coworkers or whoever you're presenting it to. So for this slide, you will go to Bitimoji stickers. If you don't know what that is, you can go in your search bar and type in https://www.bitimoji.com/stickers or just .com. And then it should send you to a green page that looks a lot like this. And then you can search for stickers such as happy, and it'll show you, different stickers. And you can place one, for example, it's your birthday. We're gonna do this one. You can click on it, clipboard, it does that. And we're gonna paste it. You right click it and paste it. And then there's that one. And if you want to be more creative, if it's a student's birthday, you can drag it down just a bit to make it look more realistic. Or you can just leave it however. And you can put maybe a song or picture, or you can do word art. That's perfectly fine. You can put happy birthday. And you can put it right over here. See, this is the first time I used the word art, so it's a learning experience for me and you both. But this is all I did. I did the insert, and then I went to word art if you're interested in making yours look like that. You can also change the color of your word art right here. However you want it to look, you can make it look. You can make it green, you can make it pink, orange, yellow, and white. Whatever color you are happy with. So that's an example right there. Another example, we're gonna go with something a little bit more different. Let's see, what do we want to go with? If you're trying to get students to eat healthier, you might go with this, for example. You can attach this picture of all these little breakfast animations with your little Bitimoji dancing around And you can do something like, you can go to help if you're not good with inserting things like videos. You can go to insert video, or you can insert a pie chart showing how well your students has done or something like that. Or you can just go to insert video and you can put a happy birthday song. And then you can put the happy birthday song in with your animation. And you can do other little things, like you can go over here like I showed in the tutorial. You can scribble, you can scrabble, whatever you feel free to do. And you can make it look all sorts of ways. Fancy, whatever you're looking for, you can do it. And then you can show your students or whoever this after you get it all nice and created. So if this right here is all you wanted to do to an assignment or a presentation, then that's all you'd have to do. You're not required to do anything with Bitimoji. There is no requirements to use it. You're just freely able to use it. So with that being said, this right here is a good example on how to use it. You can do all sorts of things. And for the last example, if you're not sure quietly and you need one more example on how to use it, you can keep searching. Let's see. We're gonna do Easter because Easter is coming up. Woo woo! It's almost April. We got birthdays coming up. We got Easter coming up, and we got Easter egg hunts coming up. I don't know about you, but I'm excited. Okay, and you can shrink it down to size that you want it, and then you just place it. If you're not familiar with it yet, you can do all sorts of things, like you can put a line like that, or you can pretty much do anything to it, to be honest. You can look at the tools and put something on that, maybe notification or something like that. You can even place a time or date on it. Like if you wanted to put Easter party, you can put Easter party. Or if you wanted to go here and look up a GIF, you can put a GIF along with your Bitimoji, like Easter. You can put whatever you wish. There's nothing specific that you have to put. You can put this little GIF. You can put something from Google Images to generate. You can do Easter hunt or just Easter in general. You can insert like Easter eggs, Easter bunnies, really anything. And if you're wanting it to blend in, it can blend in. You just have to look at the types of pictures maybe that you're inserting and make sure it blends in, like this one, for example. But yes, this is how you use Bitimoji. I hope this helped everyone who has not yet figured out how to use Bitimoji, because I know it can be a little bit difficult. Make sure you have a Snapchat set up before you use this so it's easier. I hope y'all like this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.